So we gonna tell y'all about our video and all that. We need help. We need to do this. Understand? I am too much sauce. So we just, y'all remember what I said? I'm doing a bird little thing. You gonna be with me? Yeah. You gonna be with me on the bird? Huh? You gonna be with me on the bird? What?
We got to kill birds to keep the sound.
Yep.
Now I like killing.
So everybody, we gonna be doing an experiment on birds, and we just gonna tell y'all that we gotta handle this today, and we gonna do it. But everyone, we need y'all to know that I'm doing something right now, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna be straight. You don't have to worry about a thing. Okay? So everybody, we just want y'all to know to subscribe and like our videos that we done made. Amen.